Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore question 24, how to find orders with an ordered amount above the average. This is a great example of how you can use SQL to analyze performance by comparing individual order values to the overall average. Let's jump in. We're working with an orders table that contains the following fields: customer number, the customer who placed the order; store number, where the transaction occurred; order number, the unique ID for each order; unit retail, the unit sale price; order date, the date the transaction occurred; shipped quantity, the number of items shipped. Each row represents a single item line in an order. There is no primary key, and orders may span multiple rows. The task is, we need to return orders where the total ordered amount is strictly above the average of all orders. To do that, we need to 1. Calculate ordered amount equals unit retail multiplied by shipped quantity per order. 2. Aggregate that amount per customer plus store plus order number plus order date. 3. Compare each order's amount to the average of all orders. 4. Return the ones that are above average. 5. Sort the final results by customer number and order date in ascending order. Here's an example of what the output might look like. Let's break down the SQL query that solves this. Step 1. Aggregate the ordered amount per order. This common table expression, or CTE, calculates the total amount for each order. We're using SUM, shipped quantity multiplied by unit retail, to compute the ordered amount, and we group by all the fields that define a unique order of customer, store, order number, and order date. Now, each row in this common table expression represents one complete order, with its total ordered amount. Step 2. Filter for orders that are above the average. Now, we select the orders from the CTE where the total ordered amount is greater than the average across all orders. We do this with a subquery. This calculates the overall average ordered amount. We then filter the CTE results using a where clause, so only the high-value orders remain. Finally, the result is sorted by customer number, order date. This helps us analyze each customer's purchase history over time. When this query was executed on the full dataset, it returned 24,233 rows, showing all high-value orders, whose total purchase amounts above the average across the database. You could even visualize this further. Plot total orders. Highlight those that are above average. Spot customer segments that frequently place large orders. Key takeaways. Aggregating order-level data is essential when orders are spread across multiple rows. You can use common table expressions to simplify complex calculations like average comparisons. This method can be used to flag high-value customers, bulk orders, unusual spending behavior. That wraps up today's SQL deep dive into finding orders above the average amount. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.